Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get your phone out of Respring without having to lose everything you have. See, I'm stuck in a Respring Reboot. It just keeps Respring and Reboot. First thing you're going to want to do is get your phone in recovery mode. And to get your phone in recovery mode, you're going to have to have the iTunes, latest updated iTunes, and then have it ready to plugged in. My phone keeps springing, as you can see. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to put the phone in recovery mode. And to do that, you want to plug it in and hold the home and power buttons while it's with iTunes open until it pops up. So you want to get into recovery mode. You say I got into recovery mode even after it was messing up, respringing. So now that you're here in recovery mode, this is what you want to do. Do, 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 do. Okay, this is what you want to do now. Okay, this is how I do it. I'm going to do it with you. Make sure you have the latest version of Red Snow. Open it, then go to Extras, click on Just Boot. You won't be able to click Next because your phone is in recovery mode. So what you're going to need to do is hit the power button again, let go and hit it again, then hit Next when it pops up. Hold down the power button, then release it while holding down the home button. Follow this instruction on the screen and you should be good to go. It'll immediately recognize it, and then it'll start the loading process. So as you can see, it's loading through and it's going through. Um, just for people who need the visual, and I'm gonna do this again, but I'm gonna show you me as I actually do it on the phone. So it's gonna just repeat the same thing. So if you're working now, you don't need to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so now I got it in recovery mode, right? Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Red Snow. I already showed you. We're gonna come here, gonna hit extras, gonna hit just boot tethered right now. Hold the power button. You're gonna have to kind of do this right. This is important. Okay, it's off now, right? I turned it off. So now hold the power button for 3 seconds. Now hold the home button. Now release the power button. And there you go. Then it'll start while your build has been identified. It's gonna go through. As you can see, Red Snow is working, waiting for reboot. Starting to reboot. Bam. Okay. I'm to my screen. Can't let you guys see my passcode now. Okay, I unlocked. Look, I'm back. I have everything I had before. Look, look. I didn't lose anything. I have everything. Now there you go. And that's how you get it out of Respring without losing anything you have. This is iPhone 4. I have mine jailbroken for T-Mobile, whatever. But yeah, iPhone 4. I don't know. It should work on the 4S. I don't know about any other ones. So you're on your own there. You're welcome. Bye.